run a rescue and rehabilitation centre for horses, mainly. We do have a lot of rescue dogs and other animals. Macy's coming to tell us all about her story. Macy came to us a few months ago, very emaciated. She had lacerations all over her body, riddled in ticks. She had a huge hematoma on her back. She had a massive sock wart on her ear, and she came to us with biliary. After she started putting on condition, we have now come to know that she is pregnant. Yeah, she's one of our latest rescues. We've also had horses come from the Free State that were on the truck to an abattoir, where Ashling over there has had a stroke from all the trauma. They tied a string through her tongue. They poked a hole through her tongue to keep her mouth shut. She also covered in lacerations, emaciated. We had her for a month, and a month later she had a foal. So yeah, they all come with their own little story.
We're here at Heartland Rescue and Rehabilitation Centre. This is in the heart of the Cato Ridge Valley. A fire swept through here the other day, which devastated their land. Their grazing is gone, their hay is gone, the fences are melted, and they're in huge trouble.
We need poles, hay. We need help fixing up our paddocks. All our tape was burnt in the fire, our electric tape, our handles for the gates, our poles, our plastic stakes for the electric fencing. All our winter grazing was taken away. So hay is one of the main things that we actually need. Anyone with the love for animals can come and help. They can come and support us by coming and booking a farm ride or donating bales of hay. Come and have a look at the place, get to know us, get to know our horses, spend time, give a horse a carrot, coming to spend time here with us, seeing what we do, getting the word out there.